Whew. Had to get a fresh one. What's up, everybody? It's Father Sanity here. Of course, I'm back. Welcome back to the channel. I'm so pumped to have you all here. It's ya boy. How does he freaking breathe in this thing? If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, just show your boy a little love. Maybe tickle that little subscribe button, punch that like, whatever you want to do. Totally cool. Be friends with both of them. We're all just out here to have a good time, you know what I'm saying? Good vibes all the time. We're just doing it. We're just doing it. While we're doing it, I found this candle. It's apple cinnamon. I know it's not even close to Christmas yet, but your boy has to light it. I love Christmas smells. It's like 50 degrees. We're feeling Christmassy. Now, I'm not sponsored by this or anything. We should probably just light this candle, huh? Anyway, the point of this whole video, I'm so excited to finally get to... Why is Revsanity calling me? Right now, of all times. Hey, dude, what's up?
Hey, stop that. Stop that, Father Bobber.
Okay. Alright. Anyway, yeah, it's just gonna be fun. This is a big thing. So I'm doing the biggest trip I've ever done on a motorcycle. So I went from Cincinnati to Tulsa, Oklahoma, to Salida, Colorado, to the Grand Canyon, to $1 Million Highway, to San Diego, California. It's a lot. So if you're anywhere from here to here, let me know. It's gonna be huge. So my biggest trip ever, I'm leaving May 26th. I'm getting home like June 5th. So check your calendars. If you want to meet from here to here, you can put me up for a night and drink some PBRs and stuff. So I'm getting the bike ready to do that. It's the biggest trip I've ever taken on a motorcycle, or ever. I've never driven that far. It's crazy. So old Vic here. Today we're gonna get new tires, or we already got new tires. And yesterday I took the wheels off so I could get new tires, but you're good. Anyway, I'm Father Bobber. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the garage. Welcome to the victory. Welcome to me. Welcome to video. I don't know. Like and subscribe if you want. I like this little setup I got going on here. It's all right. It's not terrible. Okay, so let's take these wheels off so I can take them up to the shop, get new tires on, come back, put them on. Basically, let's go get new tires. Let's go do that. Okie dokie. I've already done most of the work. The preparation work, anyway. I've done everything to get ready to take the wheels off. Took the exhaust off, the bags, jacked it up, secured it. Doesn't sound like much, but it's not. So now we're gonna take the wheels off so we can take them up to Indian tomorrow to get new ones mounted. I've already ordered them. They're up there waiting. Just gotta take them up. So let's get these dudes off. What happened to all my stuff? I love the little rolly thing. It's so fun. That looks pretty slim to get to. I bet we can do her with a deep well. I'm gonna need that. My belly is stuffed. I keep hitting this mic with my beard. That's on the wrong side. Whatever. Let's try that. What'd I get these for? Oh. My beard's still hitting it? Yes. Let's try that. That's probably okay. Yes. The pickles?
Yes.
Bring them here.
Pickled okras. There's still one over
There you go. Are these the hot? No, don't drop them. You don't want to help work on the bike?
No.
Okay.
I'm watching a movie with Tyler.
I'm stuck in a crack. Boopity boppity boo. We'll take the axle out of you. I see. This thing's gonna fall right on my foot. Don't fall on my foot, wheel. Okay. Where's my good grippy gloves? Careful. Oh. All right. There's one. We should do the front wheel. Should just be able to drive that axle out, drop her. I don't know. We'll see, huh? Bippity boppity boo. The cow jumped over the moon. What did I? Oh, I was looking for. My 5/8 impact. Perfect. Boop, 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 boop. Now I have the back supported with the jack stand, so it shouldn't lift too much. Or it lifts a lot. There's other Allen wrenches. There they are. I don't know what I'm doing. If it isn't obvious, that's the beauty of it though. You learn. And no cheating either. Like, I just figure it out. You don't go asking or looking on forums. That's cheating.
Today we're going to show you how to remove the front wheel on a Victory Highball. This is virtually the same on all the bikes, whether it's a Hammer, Jackpot, cross country. A little bit easier if you can't. We only
Just
have
spray.
one rotor and caliper. On, say, a Hammer, cross country, you have 2 rotors. And
Okay, you know what? I got the gist of it. Just shut up. Gosh! Christ wagons! Ah! It helps when you make loud noises and bleed.
Did you call one of our names?
No, I didn't call anybody's name.
Oh.
You want to help work on the bike? I'm bleeding everywhere. Like, I'm bleeding out. One caliper is off. Let's bleed again. Nice! Who does that? Does it have to come off, or what's going on here? What's the story? Okay.
you want to make sure that this other side doesn't unscrew loose. This is like a nut actually kind of on that side.
Ah! Who keeps putting Loctite on everything? You get back there, and I'll let you gently down on your jack stand. Gently. Gently! Ah! Whew, Ben! No wonder they charge a freaking arm and a leg to do this. Like, yeah, I'd freaking bring the wheels myself. Be way cheaper. But is it worth it? When you don't have the money in the first place, it's probably worth it. I moved my whole place around. What'd I do with my rags? They're over there. Is it worth it? Let me twerk it. That's how it goes. So, I mean, they're not bad. Front one's actually in really great shape. But the back one's starting to wear down, and so they're not bad. The back one's starting to get worn out. The front one's like brand freaking new, so I'm gonna keep these. We're gonna drop these off to my boy, Shane, at Indian. He's got tires waiting for me tomorrow morning. See you there. Did I ever show you guys my hat? Look at my hat. T-Herm's got me that. His name's Terry for my birthday. But you should check him out. The hat has nothing to do with his company, but you should go to terryhermandesign.com because he makes amazing custom furniture. Freaking gorgeous. It's like my BFF. You should just go check that out. All right, now I'll see you at Indian. did done got the Metzler Cruise Techs. These things are sweet looking. So we are going to put them on there. Man, that was way easier. They look pretty good. Mm-hmm. And we're ready to roll. So that was fun. I'm bleeding everywhere. Everything hurts, but I saved like $175 doing that, so whatever. For real though, hit me up. I'm leaving May 26th. I'll be gone until like June 5th, traveling the country. May 26th, leaving Cincinnati. I don't know what day I'll get to like San Diego, and then back June 5th, so 11 days. Those might not be the exact dates. May 26th, I'm leaving here and headed west. That way. So let me know. You know, hit me up. Here's my Instagram somewhere. Oh, over here, I don't know. At Father Bobber, no underscore spaces, just at Father Bobber. You know what? It's right there. Hit me up. Right there. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sticking around if you're still here. I can't wait to showcase everything. And coming very soon, if you're stuck around this long, I've got something a little special coming pretty soon to help showcase the big trips in the whole country and traveling. So, you know, it's our little secret. I love you. Drink a PBR. Ride your motorcycle. Subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you next time. I never know what to do here, so